Well, well, well. What's up, guys? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, guys, we're gonna react to Diana Ankudinova from What Does the Motherland Begins. Right? So it's a question, right? And this question seems to be in a song. The answer seems to be in a song of What Does the Motherland Begin. Right? So I'm excited to check out this one. And it's been a while since I've done a reaction to Diana. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well she describes from What Does a Motherland Begin. Right? So, peace. This seems great so far. The kid is laying down. The mother enters.
Да,
In
ты
the
лучше уроки сделал.
you do your homework.
Потом.
He said later.
Что вам задали?
What's the assignment?
Сочинение.
An essay.
А на какую тему?
On what topic?
С чего начинается
Where
родина?
does the motherland
Может,
begins?
вместе напишем?
С чего
начинается родина? С картинки в твоем букваре, с хороших и верных.
You see, Diana's music has evolved so much, so rapidly, right? Because her titles of her music are really eye-catching, they're inspirational, right? And they led you to ask so much questions, right? For real. From where does the motherland begins? Very good question, right? And she's saying something like this. From good and faithful comrades. The comrades are the people, right? That's where the motherland begins, right? The people, the woman, right? The woman would be the mother, right? And she's a land of all those creation of children, right? Not the actual land, but the land that's inside, right? That's where the motherland begins, bro. It's coming from the mom.
Товарищей, живущих в соседнем дворе. А может, она начинается с той песни, что пела нам мать, с того, что в любых испытаниях нас никому не отнять.
Will never be taken away.
С чего
From what does the motherland begin?
начинается родина? Заветной скамьи у
From a
ворот,
childish bench near the
с
gate,
той самой березкой,
with very little tree in the field,
под ветром склоня.
blowing in the wind and growing. Or maybe it begins with a spring song starting with a country old road. Bro, the motherland can begin anywhere. Based on what she's asking, based on these questions that is being displayed here that she's asking, it can begin or it can start from anywhere. And this is gorgeous, bro. This is a very gorgeous song. I have to commend Diana for these important questions, because sometimes even me myself would ask these questions, bro. And sometimes the answers that we are receiving, they're not up to standard with the actual question that we ask. So it's natural, right? I guess the motherland begins in the dawn of time, where, let's say, the term they all use, Eve, or let's say Adam and Eve days, right? From those long time, that's where the motherland started, bro. Everything just started from there, bro. In the beginning, right?
Которой не видно конца.
Which has no insight.
С чего начинается Родина? С окошек горящих вдали, со старой отцовской буденовки, что где-то в шкафу мы нашли. А может, она начинается со стука вагонных колес, из клятвы, которую в юности ты ей в своем сердце принес.
She sings phenomenally in this track. She's asking so much important questions. She's giving a lot of important answers. Bro, she's really good. She's a very phenomenal artist, to be honest.
С чего начинается Родина?
That was good. That was good. Look, if you guys do have an important question that you guys want to ask me, please feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to give you an answer, right? So if you guys did enjoy this reaction, please leave a like on this video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.